There is one very popular Upanishad, Mundak Upanishad, and it begins with a question where some students come to the teacher and ask, what is that knowing which one can know everything? The secret of knowledge, you might remember in the first talk where we discussed Hinduism, why we talked about the fundamental unity of things. So, in the same vein, they ask, is there something by knowing which I can know the entire universe? For example, as we discussed in physics also, they are trying to unify the forces so that by knowing that force, they will know all the fundamental forces that are working in the universe. The teacher then says that there are two kinds of knowledge. Dve vidye veditabhye paracheva paracha. There is apara, the lower kind of knowledge, and there is para, the higher kind of knowledge. So every kind of knowledge, including the Vedas, belong to the lower kind of knowledge. You see, here, Hinduism differs from every other religion. Hinduism is the only religion that considers its highest sacred book, the Vedas, as lower form of knowledge. Reason being, they are words. Words convey ideas. Words can never convey you realization. Realization is something that you have to get by yourself. And the Vedas, the mantra in Upanishads very clearly say, even the Upanishads and the Vedanga, they are all lower form of knowledge. And they say, what is para? Yat tad aksharam adhigamyate, by which the Supreme is known, by which one knows the self, by which one knows Brahman. We will be discussing it. It's something like, you go to a jewelry shop and there you find different kinds of jewelry. If you try to understand each one of them, you can never understand. You can go on studying, you'll find that this is necklace and this is earring and this is nose something, whatever. I don't even understand those things. But if you know what is gold, if you know the nature of gold, you will know every possible ornament that was ever made. And every possible ornament that will be made in the future. Not that you will know the forms, etc. of the ornament. You will be knowing the essence of those things. So Upanishads basically talk about the essence of the universe, the essence of the person. So the focus is on Paravidya. Aparavidya, they say, it is meant for the ordinary mortals. If you really want to solve the problems of life, if you really want to solve the problems of your existence, basically it's about your existence, you have to know Paravidya. You have to know your true self. And how do you know that?